In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a website on Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank account to a working project in Hostinger's website builder so you can jump straight into designing your site with confidence. First, head to Hostinger and sign in to your hosting dashboard, often called hPanel. This is your control center. Having your domain name idea in mind will make the next step smoother, so keep that handy. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Create or Migrate. This is where you start a brand new website or bring an existing one over. For this walkthrough, we'll kick off a fresh site, which is perfect if you're launching something new and want a quick, guided setup. When you're on that screen, click Next. This simply confirms you're ready to proceed and takes you to the platform selection. It's a small click that moves you into the core of the setup flow. On the platform screen, choose Website Builder. This route is ideal if you want an intuitive drag-and-drop experience without touching code. It prioritizes speed and simplicity, which means you'll see results fast. The builder comes with professionally designed templates and built-in tools for layouts, fonts, colors, and sections, giving you a polished starting point you can tweak to your brand. Next, type your domain. Enter the address you plan to use for your site. Make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear. This is what visitors will type to reach you, so accuracy matters. If you already own the domain through Hostinger, it will connect smoothly. If your domain is registered elsewhere, you'll connect it later from your registrar. But for now, just provide the domain you intend to use so the project is correctly set up around it. From here, you'll start describing your website and any other requirements the setup asks for. This is where Hostinger tailors the experience to your goals. You might be prompted to specify your industry, the purpose of your site, like portfolio, blog, or online presence, the site name, your tone or style, color preferences, and the key pages you want, such as home, about, services, or contact. Be as clear and specific as you can. Mention your audience, your main call to action, and any must-have sections like testimonials or a gallery. If you have brand colors or a logo, note those so the initial design aligns with your identity. The more detail you provide, the better the starting layout will match your vision and reduce edits later. After completing these prompts, you'll land inside the editor with a tailored starting point, and you're ready to customize. That's it. You've successfully launched your website project on Hostinger using the Website Builder setup flow.